Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to make khoya jamun. It is popularly known as kala jamun. Here I am adding 1 cup of milk, 2 cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Mix well. Here I am making instant khowa for khowa jamun. You can also make with ready khowa from bakeries. Mix it well without any lumps. Then kept it on stove and cook it by stirring continuously. The smooth liquid mixture convert into solid non-sticky mixture. Once it gets boiled, then I am adding here jaggery powder. You can add sugar also. I am adding 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder and mix well until it gets soft non-sticky mixture. This is the right consistency. Now switch off the flame and let it cool. Here I am taking 1 cup of paneer. You can also take the curdled milk. Mash the mixture with palm. This process is important to get a nice texture in gulab jamun. Here I am adding khowa 1 cup, half teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of maida. Maida for binding. Combine this mixture and mix it well and make a dough. Try it once and let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel Ruhi's Creation for such more videos. Now the mixture is ready. Divide the mixture into small portion and make small round balls gulab jamun shape and fry it in oil or ghee. I am adding here oil with 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. Adding ghee in oil gives better taste of jamun. The flame must be high. Continuously stirring it till it gets black in color. Likewise, fry all the leftover jamun. Now the jamuns are ready. Now here I am making sugar syrup. Take a pan, add 2 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, 1 or 2 elaichi. Prepare sugar syrup like this. Once the jamun get cool, then add the jamuns in sugar syrup. The jamuns are ready to serve.
Please like, share and subscribe.